Welcome to Review Central's Midwifery Licensure Exam Reviewer number 11, featuring questions on professional growth and development. Please note that this reviewer is specifically prepared for the midwifery licensure examination given by the Board of Midwifery and administered by the Professional Regulation Commission of the Philippines. Many of the questions on professional growth and development are specifically focused on the midwifery profession situations, issues, programs, policies, practices, laws, and work environment in the Philippines, and may not be applicable to other territories. There are 10 questions featured on this reviewer. All questions are modeled on actual questions that appeared on previous midwifery licensure exams. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to Review Central and click or press the bell button to make sure you get notified whenever we post a new reviewer or other review materials on this channel. Now let's begin. Question number 1. Multiple choice. The following are true regarding hospital records, except A. They should be made accessible to the patients. B. They contain privileged communications. C. They must contain accurate, objective, and legibly written information. D. All of the above are true regarding hospital records. The correct answer is A. That they should be made accessible to the patients is not entirely true. Hospital records contain privileged communications. They must contain accurate, objective, and legibly written information. Although patients have protected rights to access their own personal medical records, they should not have access to any or all hospital records, as that would be tantamount to the violation of the privacy rights of other patients, and a breach of confidentiality between the hospital and other patients. Question number 2. True or false? Professional taxes are paid at the Professional Regulation Commission. The correct answer is false. Tax collection of, or in, any form is not among the mandates of the Professional Regulations Commission. The Bureau of Internal Revenue is the solely mandated government agency when it comes to anything related to income and professional taxes. Question number 3. Multiple choice. A person stands trial in court if he is A. Witness. B. Defendant. C. Convict. D. Plaintiff. The correct answer is B. Defendant. A defendant is an individual, a company, or an institution sued or accused in a court of law. A plaintiff is the party who initiates a lawsuit by filing a complaint with the clerk of the court against the defendant, or defendants, demanding damages, performance, and/or court determination of rights. A witness is a person who saw or heard the crime take place or may have important information about the crime or the defendant. Both the defense and the prosecutor can call witnesses to testify or tell what they know about the situation. What the witness actually says in court is called testimony. A convict is an individual who has been found guilty of a criminal offense, following a trial, guilty plea, or plea of nolo contendere. Question number 4. True or false? Facial expressions are nonverbal forms of communication. The correct answer is true. Facial expression is one of the primary forms of nonverbal communications. The human face is extremely expressive, able to convey countless emotions without saying a word. Other forms of nonverbal communications include body movement and posture, gestures, eye contact, touch, use of space, tone of voice, and many more. Question number 5. Enumeration. What are the 5 qualifications for taking the midwifery licensure examination? The correct answers, in any order, are as follows. 1. Must be a citizen of the Republic of the Philippines. 2. At least 21 years of age. 3. Is in good health and of good moral character. 4. Has not been convicted of any crime. And 5. Has finished a course in midwifery from an institution. Question number 6. Multiple choice. Putting oneself in another's place is A. Sympathy, B. Empathy, C. Apathy, D. None of these. The correct answer is B. Empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. Sympathy, on the other hand, is defined as the feelings of pity and sorrow for someone else's misfortune. It can also mean the understanding between people, or common feeling. Meanwhile, apathy is lack of interest, enthusiasm, or concern. Question number 7. True or false? Ministerial functions do not require discretion or judgment. The correct answer is true. Ministerial function or duty is one which is so clear and specific as to leave no room for the exercise of discretion in its performance. On the other hand, a discretionary function or duty is that which by its nature requires the exercise of judgment. Question number 8. Multiple choice. The complainant in a lawsuit is the A. Respondent, B. Plaintiff, C. Witness, D. Convict. The correct answer is B. Plaintiff. A plaintiff is the party who initiates a lawsuit by filing a complaint with the clerk of the court against the defendant, or defendants, demanding damages, performance, and/or court determination of rights. The respondent, also called the defendant, is the individual, company, or institution sued or accused in a court of law. A witness is a person who saw or heard the crime take place or may have important information about the crime or the defendant. Both the defense and the prosecutor can call witnesses to testify or tell what they know about the situation. What the witness actually says in court is called testimony. A convict is an individual who has been found guilty of a criminal offense, following a trial, guilty plea, or plea of nolo contendere. Question number 9. True or false? Abortion is not accepted as a family planning method in the Philippines. The correct answer is true. Abortion is not an acceptable family planning method in the Philippines because, by law, it is considered illegal. Abortion was criminalized through the Penal Code of 1870 under Spanish colonial rule, and the criminal provisions were incorporated into the revised Penal Code passed in 1930 under the U.S. occupation of the Philippines. The criminal provisions on abortion do not contain any exceptions allowing abortion. Question number 10. Enumeration. What are the 4 grounds for the revocation or suspension of a midwife's license? The correct answers, in any order, are 1. Continued neglect of duty, 2. Incompetency, 3. Commission or toleration of irregularities in the exam, and 4. Unprofessional or dishonorable conduct. You have just completed Midwifery Licensure Exam Reviewer number 11, which featured questions on professional growth and development. If you wish to watch more Midwifery Licensure Exam Reviewers on professional growth and development, check out our Midwifery Professional Growth and Development Reviewers playlist. Check out also our other midwifery playlists for other reviewer topics. If you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to subscribe to Review Central and click or press the bell button to make sure you get notified whenever we post a new reviewer or other review materials on this channel. Please like if you find this video useful, and feel free to share it to anyone who may also benefit from it. We wish you all the best on your forthcoming midwifery licensure exam, and we look forward to your fulfilling career and professional life as a licensed midwife and healthcare provider in the Philippines. Mabuhay!